Ease autism symptoms with broccoli sprouts. In the United States, autism affects about 1 in 68 children. The group of people with autism occupies 1 to 2% of the world's population, with a much higher incidence in boys than in girls. A new study conducted by a collaboration of researchers from Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine and from Massachusetts General Hospital for Children found that a chemical named sulforaphane, which exists in broccoli sprouts and is best known for prevention of certain cancers, is able to temporarily improve symptoms of autism spectrum disorder. More than 40 teenage boys and young men between the ages of 13 to 27 who are affected with moderate to severe autism participated in the study. Compared to those who received a placebo, the participants receiving a daily dose of the sulforaphane experienced substantial improvements in their social interaction and verbal communication, along with a decrease in repetitive and ritualistic behaviors. Their symptoms improved in nearly half of the 29 men who took a sulforaphane oral supplement for 18 continuous weeks, but they reappeared after the treatment was stopped. The 15 participants who got placebo pills showed minimal change. Dr. Paul Talale, a professor of pharmacology and molecular sciences at Johns Hopkins, and his colleagues first discovered the disease-fighting properties of sulforaphane in 1992. They found that it could boost the body's defenses against oxidative stress, inflammation, and DNA damage. In addition, the chemical later turned out to improve the body's heat shock response, a cascade of events used to protect cells from the stress caused by high temperatures, including those experienced when people have fever. The sulforaphane compound that is in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables provides two ways, causing DNA methylation and HDAC inhibition to prevent cancer through the complex mechanism of epigenetics. They work in concert with each other to maintain proper cell function. They sort of work as partners and talk to each other, said Emily Ho, an associate professor in the College of Public Health and Human Sciences at Oregon State University. However, Dr. Talale cautions that the levels of sulforaphane precursors present in different varieties of broccoli are highly variable. Furthermore, the capacity of individuals to convert these precursors into active sulforaphane also varies greatly. It would be very difficult to achieve the levels of sulforaphane used in this study by eating large amounts of broccoli or other cruciferous vegetables. We currently are far from being able to declare a victory over autism, but this gives us in-depth insights into what might help curing autism, comments Dr. Andrew Zimmerman, a professor of pediatric neurology at the University of Massachusetts Medical Center.